welcome back to my YouTube channel Enhanced GK with Sir. So we are going to talk on temporary hospitals for COVID patients. So as you all know that COVID-19 is spreading in India faster and faster, and we are lacking beds for them. And as you all know, there is not only COVID-19 in India but many other diseases, and we need bed for all of them. So we don't have enough beds, and we don't have any time for building new hospitals to getting new beds. So what we can do is creating some temporary hospitals anywhere in the country, like using something else about which I will tell you later in the video. But before we start our video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and set the bell icon on all, and like the video and share this if you find this video worth sharing. So let us start our video. So as I have told you, we are going to discuss about the temporary hospitals for COVID patients for their treatment. I will present some ideas not just for temporary hospitals but also on some another basic things for the treatment of COVID patients that will also help our country to fight back COVID. Let us begin. Topics we are going to discuss in this presentation. First of all, we will discuss about problems during this time and giving their solutions. First point, things we should do to protect ourselves. Second point, how to treat other affected person. Third, most importantly, how can we help our country in overcoming this situation. We all know that right now we are facing shortage of beds and oxygen for patients because of that a lot of people are dying for not getting proper treatment and shortage of oxygen. If we think so, we can solve these problems, maybe not 100%, but a little bit can be done and lives can be saved. First idea for present situation. The first thing we can do is to place beds in some mohalla clinics and government dispensary, and some are left alone. This can reduce bed shortage and deaths by some extent. Second idea for present situation. Where the doctors will come from is the second question. What about the money and safety? It's not only that hospitals and beds are not available, but doctors are also less than needed for COVID patients, and of course expenses of treatment. How to solve financial issues? First thing that can be done is that we can seek help of some of our neighboring countries' doctors along with oxygen. Second point, money can be arranged by each and every unaffected person, sparing money as much as they can. Third point, every person should also take care of themselves by not going outside and not sending anyone else. Should sanitize everything which has come from outside. Take all precautions and cooperating with CAP, COVID appropriate behavior. Things to remember while we are suffering from this pandemic. We should not panic during this pandemic and must not lose our hope. Second point, help others as much as you can without affecting yourself. Don't treat COVID patient as someone not a part of society, and don't discourage them, rather encourage them that they will cure themselves soon. Remember one thing, nothing is forever, and hence this shall too pass. Also cooperate with doctors and government for safety, so for fast recovery of India. Thank you for being with me till end and supporting my ideas. Thank you everyone. So I hope you like this video. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe this channel and also follow my Facebook page and join my Facebook group. I have a channel on BIP and Telegram also, so please subscribe my those channels also. I will give description of all. I will give you links of all these channels in the description box. Please go and join these channels. Thank you everyone.